Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the print of your clothes on your picture by the help of the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the picture that you want to edit, and after that slide to the right side of the screen till you find the clothes icon and tap on it. Here you should select a bunch of colors and prints that you can choose from. So tap on the relevant one and you can adjust it by the help of the scale down below. If you zoom in, you can see how it looks like, and if you zoom in and out, you can position the pattern as well by the help of this circle in the middle of the screen. So feel free to try out many of these patterns, and feel free to adjust it by the help of the scale and that circle by zooming in and out. You can also upload a picture that will serve as your own print. You can also enhance details of the print and select the saturation by using the slide. So if you are satisfied with the result, click on the checkmark icon down below to save the changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.